Welcome back. I'm Corinne over at Smail Collision Center. We're continuing the tour of the amazing repair equipment we have at our facility. Here's your backstage pass. You're going to need that. Last week we took a look at how we mix the paint. Today we're going to show you the booze your vehicle gets treated to when it's here for repair. Come follow me. So these are our new state-of-the-art paint booths from Global Finishing Solutions. We do have a couple sizes. We want to be able to accommodate your larger transit vans and your box trucks. I'm going to take you into the XP1 and show you what that downdraft system means. So coming through these doors, the first thing you're going to notice is the color correct light bulbs. And what they do is they mimic the light of the sun. And that's what allows us to see accurately all the tones that we applied to the vehicle and any reflective flake that may have had to have been applied as well. The downdraft system happens through the grates. It pulls the air through the ceiling into the floor. That makes the air travel around the vehicle, and that pulls any dust particles or contaminants out of the air so it doesn't adhere to the vehicle, giving you the cleanest finish possible. The first thing that we need to do is sand the parts down that are going to be painted. That's going to make them a bit more abrasive, allowing the paint to adhere to the part properly. Then we pull it into the booth and we're going to mask off any areas of the vehicle that are not getting painted. That's going to protect it from any overspray getting onto it so that we can get you an accurate color blend. The first product that's going to be applied is the sealer. That's what the paint actually adheres to and gives it the accurate color match we're looking for. Once the sealer is on, we're going to go in with the base coat. The base coat is what actually has the pigment and the color of your vehicle in it. And then we can finish off with our clear, which is what's going to give you that gloss finish. It also helps protect the paint from the UV rays. The paint will continue to bake for 20 minutes at 160 degrees. With this system, that's a bake time that allows us to start reassembly on your vehicle same day, usually within hours. So that's how we get your vehicle looking perfect in our awesome paint booths. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm going to need that pass back. You'll need that back for your next behind-the-scenes look here at Smail Collision Center. You can visit us on Route 30 or at smailcollisioncenter.com. See you next time.